When someone wants to buy a firearm in New Hampshire, this is the paperwork they need to fill out, including answering yes or no to whether they've been committed to a mental institution. It appears there is no legal mandate for New Hampshire to report that information to the federal NICS database, although there are different interpretations about whether the state should be doing that. We haven't received a clear answer about what mental health information is actually sent to the background check system.
We need to try and improve our reporting system if we're not reporting the proper people. It's not about mental health, it's about dangerous people.
Tufton Borough Police Chief Andrew Shigori says not reporting that information can lead to people who are federally prohibited from owning a firearm to slip through the cracks.
When we issue a pistol revolver license, we check NICS and we check criminal records. If they're not showing up on NICS as a prohibited person, we're going to issue them a license.
Are they not going to get it on the street? They sell drugs on the street every day. Fentanyl is illegal. They buy it on the street every day of the week.
Attorney Penny Dean argues that if someone is no longer a threat, they shouldn't be permanently barred from owning a firearm.
So if you have cancer and you're now cancer-free, we all agree you're cancer-free. But if someone has a horrible bad day or horrible bad week, something horrible happens to them, and they have an episode, does that mean they should be barred from a constitutional right, a Second Amendment right for the rest of their life?
And again, we have not received a clear explanation as to what information is or is not shared. The AG's office says it is currently reevaluating this issue and is working with the judicial branch. Meantime, we'll keep pushing for answers. In the newsroom, Hannah Cotter, WMUR News 9.